Now, I'll just highlight a couple of things about what we're really celebrating today. In general, it's about $4.5 million worth of improvements. The renovations here long overdue. So I'll just highlight the two big ones, although there are many. But all this beautiful ductwork up there, that has actually been one of the most important things, right? This is the air conditioning and HVAC system that we need in winter and summer. We're now installing a double redundant system. It's going to be open this summer just in time. And then of course, a more sort of customer experience or caregiver experience friendly will take you down to the new awesome outdoor recreation area just behind me. And so that is a wonderful new shaded area for our volunteers to work with animals and for people to get to know hopefully their future four-legged companion. We also have small things like landscape, but also a new dog run, a new bonding area, and also customer interior improvements in our welcome area. And so much needed improvements, but again, that are finally here.